Slider windows are a popular choice for homeowners who want easy operation, wide views, and a clean, modern look. While choosing the right window style is important, how those windows are installed matters just as much. For homeowners in Redmond, working with professionals who understand the local environment, housing styles, and installation challenges can make a significant difference in performance and long-term satisfaction. Understanding local home designs and layouts. Homes in Redmond vary widely in layout, age, and architectural style. Some properties feature older construction with unique framing, while others include modern designs with large openings and open floor plans. Local expertise helps ensure slider windows are selected and installed in a way that fits the home's structure rather than forcing a one-size-fits-all approach. Installers familiar with Redmond homes understand common wall dimensions, framing methods, and placement considerations. This knowledge helps slider windows fit properly, operate smoothly, and look like a natural part of the home rather than an afterthought. Proper fit makes a big difference. Slider windows rely on precise alignment to function correctly. Even small installation errors can lead to sticking, air leaks, or uneven movement over time. Local professionals know what to look for during measurement and preparation, especially in homes that may have settled or shifted slightly over the years. For Redmond homeowners, proper fit means windows that glide smoothly, close securely, and maintain consistent performance. Local expertise helps reduce the risk of issues that often come from rushed or inexperienced installations. Accounting for local weather and conditions. Windows are constantly exposed to the elements, and local conditions influence how well they perform. Installers with experience in Redmond understand how seasonal changes affect homes and how slider windows should be sealed and supported to handle those conditions. This attention to detail helps prevent common problems such as drafts, moisture intrusion, or premature wear. Homeowners benefit from installations designed to support comfort and durability over time. Protecting indoor comfort and efficiency. One of the main reasons homeowners choose slider windows is comfort. When installed correctly, slider windows help maintain stable indoor temperatures and reduce unwanted air movement. Local experts know how to seal windows effectively and address potential weak points that can compromise comfort. For Redmond homeowners, this means rooms feel more balanced and comfortable throughout the day. Windows that are installed with local conditions in mind support a more pleasant living environment. Ensuring smooth operation over time. Slider windows are designed for frequent use, but long-term performance depends on careful installation. Tracks, frames, and panels must be aligned correctly to avoid friction or wear. Professionals with local experience understand how to prepare openings and adjust components so slider windows continue to operate smoothly. Redmond homeowners appreciate knowing their windows will remain easy to use without constant adjustments or repairs. Navigating local building practices. Every area has its own building practices and expectations. Local installers are familiar with common construction methods used in Redmond homes and understand how to work within those parameters. This familiarity helps avoid surprises during installation and ensures the process runs efficiently. Homeowners benefit from a smoother project with fewer delays or complications. Supporting long-term value and peace of mind. Installing slider windows is an investment in your home. When done correctly, it adds comfort, functionality, and visual appeal. Local expertise helps protect that investment by ensuring the installation meets high standards from the start. Redmond homeowners often feel more confident knowing their windows were installed by professionals who understand the area and stand behind their work. A smart choice for better results. Choosing slider windows is only part of the equation. Choosing the right installer is just as important. Local expertise brings knowledge, precision, and accountability that directly affect how well windows perform. For Redmond homeowners, working with professionals who understand local homes ensures slider windows deliver the comfort, ease of use, and reliability they're meant to provide. It's a smart decision that leads to better results and long-term satisfaction.